Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will be discussing about first angle and third angle projections, how to draw them. First of all we will explain some basic points such as top view, front view. Suppose there is an object and we are seeing it from the top. So whatever it appears like from the top, that is called the top view, and it is also represented by short form TV, and it is also called plan. Similarly, if we are seeing this object from the front, so how it will appear, that is known as its front view or FV or elevation. Then now coming to the first angle and third angle projection, we have a coordinate system or quadrants. So this is the first quadrant, then second, third and fourth quadrant. Basically these are two planes. One is the vertical plane in vertical direction and other is the horizontal plane. For first quadrant we have the vertical plane in this direction and horizontal plane in this direction, just like this figure. Suppose we have a point P which is in the first quadrant. So when we want to see it from the top, its projection will be seen here at the bottom on the horizontal plane. Horizontal plane also known as HP, and when we will see it from the front, its projection will be seen somewhere here on the vertical plane VP. But now this is a 3D drawing. We can't draw 3D on paper, so we will convert it into 2D. This is one plane is this vertical plane which is perpendicular to horizontal plane, and third axis is this XY which is perpendicular to both of them. So when we want to convert it into 2D, we will rotate horizontal plane in clockwise direction at 90 degree. So it will come here. So this top view represented by TV, and this is the front view FV. Top view will be rotated and it will come here. So we have this XY line. So front view is above that. So front view will be here. And top view, when we rotate it by 90 degree, it will come below XY line. So it will come here. And to represent top view, we use smaller of capital letter. This is capital letter P, so we will represent it by smaller letter P. This is the standard notation. And similarly for front view, we will use P dash, small p and dash. This represent the projection of point P, that is front view of point P. So in first angle projection we have front view above the line and top view below the line. But the case is opposite in case of third angle projection. Suppose we have a point here P. So its front view will be here, top view will be here, and front view, when we will see from the front view will be here. Now when we will rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree, top view will come here upside and front view will remain here. So XY, this is the XY line. So the top view will be on the upside and front view will be on the bottom side. P dash and P. So in third angle projection, top view is always above the XY line and front view is always below the XY line. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.